Alright, so next, to install the RSLK library, this library will have all the examples you need to get you started so you can create your own robot programs. So if you go here to File and Examples, you'll see that it says Examples for MSP432. These are some other ones that I have, but I do not have a RSLK library. So I've downloaded my library to my Downloads folder. To install it, all I need to do is go to Sketch, Include Library, and I'm going to go to Add Zip Library. So it's going to ask me to find that. So if I go to this PC, I go to my Downloads folder and go to My Downloads, I'll have my file right there. So I just click Open, and once it's open, you'll see this library added to your libraries. Check Include Library menu. So now when I go into File, Examples, when I go down, I have Example Custom Libraries, and now I have my RSLK library installed. You can choose any of these example libraries to run on your RSLK. You can run any one of these to verify that you have a successful installation.